Hello everyone, today we are going to see the Linux commands. So many people we have worked in the Windows operating system, but when it's come to the Linux operating systems, it's bit hard to understand how that Linux operating system is working. So let's get started. So these are the basic commands we are going to run it in the Linux missions. So before that we will compare it how Windows is work, how we are creating the content in the Windows and how we will create the content in the Linux. Let's say example, if I want to create one folder in Windows, we will right click it and we will create it, but Linux is not like that. We have to run the command mkdir, then we have to give the folder name, it will create the folder. So let's get start and see how that is working. So this is my Linux operating systems, this is my Windows operating systems. So we are able to by default, if we go to the particular directory, we are able to see graphical interface, what are the folder is available, what are the file is available here. So in Linux we cannot see like this. So if you want to see what is the content is available in the current folder, so we have to run ls command. So we are able to see test and test1, test2, test3 folder is available. So how you will make sure this is a folder or this is the file? By seeing here we can understand these are the folder, this is the file. So also we will see the details here. If I when I click on this, so this is giving the more detail like a test1, test2, test3. This is the text document, these are the folder, when it is created, what is the size, everything it is giving here. So if I want to know same thing in the Linux operating systems, ll means what it is meaning, long list. ls means just we are listing. ll means we are going to long list. Let me run this command. So we are able to get the result. If you look here in the beginning, what are the things we are getting, starting with the D, those are the directory. If we see here, these are the folder type, is a folder we are getting here, correct? And this type is a document. So how we will see it in the Linux operating systems? So in the beginning we will see it D means it's a directory. If it is a hyphen means that is we can say as a file, like this file. Okay, if I want to open this folder, what I will do, just I will do double click, then it will get opened. So in Linux operating systems we cannot do like this. So we have to run the command cd, then that directory name. So let's say example, I want to go test folder 1 means I have to type cd space followed by that directory name. So in Windows, whatever folder we are seeing, that is called directory. In Windows we will call folder, but in Linux we will call directory, but both are same only. So I have run the cd command. So currently we are in this test1 folder. We are able to see here also. If I want to see what is my current working directory, we are able to see here, correct? So if I click here, I am able to see it. Currently we are in the C drive Linux folder. Inside Linux folder we are in the test1. So like that, if I want to know it means I have to type pwd, present working directory. So where we are, /home user, sorry, ec2 user test. Currently we are in this directory. Okay, so if I want to go back one step, so what we will do in the Windows, just we will back to folder. We will click on this arrow mark. What it will do, it will automatically take us to the previous folder. So if you want to go previous folder, folder means in the Linux operating systems, you have to type cd space dot and give the enter. Now type pwd where we are /home ec2 hyphen user. If I want to see the content of that current directory, I have to run the ls command. Okay, we are able to see. If I want to see all the detail of this, whether it is a directory or file, so I have to run the ll command, long list, so we are able to see it. Okay, so if I try to open with this is a file, if I try to open with cd command, it will throw the error. So what it is telling, it's a not a directory. So what it is, by using the cd command we are able to open only directory, we cannot open the files. Okay, if I want to create a directory, how we can create it? In Windows operating systems, what we will do, just we will go here, we will do the right click, then we'll come here, we'll do the right click and new folder. So what I will do, just I am giving the name Linux test. Okay, so just we have created simple, we have clicked and give the name, we have it. But here not like that, we have to give the command mkdir. Mkdir means making directory. So after command we have to give the space, then what is the folder name you want to give, you can give it, just enter, it will create it. This is the command, this is the folder or directory name, so it got created. If I want to see means, what is the command? ll long list. So now we are able to see those commands, sorry, which folder we have created, that is we are able to see it. So by default in Windows we are able to see it here. Okay, how can I, if I want to delete this folder, how we will delete it? In Windows operating systems, just we will right click it, and what we will do, we will delete it, then that is gone, it's deleted. Okay, now if I want to delete same thing in the Linux operating systems, so we have to run the command rm means remove, then followed by subcommand hyphen or f. Okay, then that folder name, don't confuse here, folder and directory both are same only. So in Linux we will call directory, Windows we will call folder, but both are same only. Just click on enter, what it is doing, it's removed. Now I want to see that is removed or not. What is the command? We have to run the ll command. So let's see, this is got removed. So same thing here also, it's got removed. Okay, so next what command we are going to see? We have see the rm command, mkdir, present working directory, and cd command, ls command. So here we can use ll command also, and ls command also, ll command also, both command we can use it here. Okay, so now I want to copy the file. Okay, so I have the test file, I want to copy this test file to test1. So I want to copy this test file to test1. How we will copy here? Just right click, okay, copy. I have copied. If I want to paste it to test1, what we will do, we will go inside the test1 and we will right click it. Once we right click, we will get the paste options, so we will paste it. This is how we will do it in the Windows operating system. In Linux operating system, how we will do? Same thing, we have to run the command cp. So this is for copying command. And if I want to copy test. This is the, make sure we are going to copy file. So this is the file where we are going to copy. I am going to copy test 1 folder. So this is my file where I want to copy. I want to copy here. Just hit enter. Then now go to the test 1 folder, list it out. We are able to see here test file. Okay, so this is how we have to copy. If I want to rename this file, how we will rename? So here how we will rename, just we will right click it and we will get option called rename. So just I am giving renamed. What it is changed. How we will do it here, I have to give mv. Okay, then followed by that particular file name, then I am giving renamed. Now list, we are able to see rename. So this is how we have to work on the Linux operating systems. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel.